Hello. So today we're going to talk about fruit. Not just oranges and navel oranges. We're going to talk about the fruit of the Holy Spirit. So Galatians 5:22 and 23 reads, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, temperance. Against such there is no law." So let's break this down. Let's start with love. Love is defined as an intense feeling of deep affection. The synonyms of love is affection, appreciation, devotion, fondness, friendship, passion, respect, allegiance, partiality, enjoyment, and delight. And we're going to use some scriptures that also have the word love in it. So Matthew 22, chapter 22, verses 37 through 40 reads, "Jesus said unto him, Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second is like unto it, Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. On these two commandments hang all the law and the prophets." That's Matthew 22:37 through 40. Let's go to Hebrews 10, chapter 10, verses 24 and 25. So Hebrews chapter 10, verse 24 and 25 reads, "And let us consider one another to provoke unto love and to good works, not forsaking the assembling of ourselves together as the manner of some is, but exhorting one another, and so much the more as ye see the day approaching." And 1 John 4:7 and 8, we used to sing this in chapel in school, and it goes, "Beloved, let us love one another. For love is of God, and everyone that loveth is born of God, and knoweth God. He that loveth not, knoweth not God, for God is love. Beloved, let us love one another." 1 John 4:7 and 8. So that's how I memorized that verse. I learned it in chapel back in school. So it reads exactly like the song. "Beloved, let us love one another, for love is of God, and everyone that loveth is born of God and knoweth God. He that loveth not knoweth not God, for God is love." So I want to do a series of the fruit of the Holy Spirit. This is part 1. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.